Hey guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get regular update for my new videos. Hi guys, this is Neetu and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's nail art design, all the polishes I have used are by Nykaa. It was not in my mind that I want to go for a Nykaa nail art tutorial. But once I was done with my selecting colors for this nail art design, I saw they all are by Nykaa, apart from the top coat and the base coat. I want to give this nail art design a matte look, but the nail polish I have used for stamping is golden, so it's not matte. That's why I needed a matte top coat. But I don't think Nykaa have a matte top coat, so I have used Revlon. But Nykaa do have a really nice matte collection, and even in a reasonable price. Don't think that it's a sponsored video, I'm just telling you what I think. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start with the video.
Start your manicure with the base coat. I'm using this by Essence to protect your nail. So once the base coat is dried, moving to next color. The color I'm using is by Nykaa in shade Pomegranate. So the design I'm going to do on my index finger, the same design I'm going to do on my little finger and on my thumb. And I think I'm going to go for 2 coats. So this polish is not matte. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a Revlon matte top coat to convert it into a matte polish. Once my polish is dry, I'm going to move to the next color, and this is the polish by Nykaa in shade Sapphire Dream I'm going to use. This is a matte polish. So I'm just going to cover the nail tip. This is a striping tape I'm going to use. I'm just going to stick it here. Cut the extra part. Yep, it's a little longer, so I'm going to cut it again. Now moving to my middle finger, apply a base coat. And I'm going to apply the same color. Going for 2 coats. Whatever polish you get on your skin, you can remove it with some brush and acetone. I always do this step. So on this finger I'm going to draw some leopard print. I'm going to use this dotting tool, and the color I'm using is the same Sapphire Dream by Nykaa. Making leopard design is very easy. You just have to draw some C or E. Just face them to each other. You will see it once the design is almost done. If you don't have a dotting tool, you can use a toothpick. So the color I'm using is by Nykaa in shade Sun-Kissed Gold. It's a beautiful gold with such a nice finishing. Almost done. I missed some spots, so I'm going to just put some dots there. Just clean it up. And we are done. So moving on to my ring finger, apply a base coat. The color I'm using is same by Nykaa in shade Sapphire Dream. It's a beautiful blue matte color. And we have to go for 2 coats. Just remove the extra polish. So I'm going to do some stamping on this nail. The plate I'm using is this, and this is a design. Mostly when you use a golden polish for stamping, it's not possible that you use a simple polish. You have to go for a stamping polish. But I think this is the only one golden polish I came through which really works so good with stamping also. Let me show you. And this is plain Nykaa polish. It's not a stamping polish. Just pick up the design with your stamper and just put it on your nail and press it gently. You're done. Now I'm going to apply a Revlon matte top coat on every nail. See how beautiful this gold look. So let me show you the whole design. This is the way this design is going to look. If you like it and you're going to try this at home, don't forget to share the picture with me. If you have any question, just write them in the comment box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will be back with some more beautiful design. Till then, bye and take care.